Hi everyone, welcome to Family Computer Center. Today we are going to see how we can do a calculation inside if, or how we can write a formula inside if. In this workbook, we have got some employees. The company has given them a target sale and their actual sale is also with us. We want to do a allowance calculation and the given condition is like this. If the employee achieve target, if his actual sale is greater than his target sale, company will give him 50% of his basic salary. And the allowance calculation for those who could not achieve is 10% of their basic salary. To do this, we click inside our F2 cell. We go to Formulas tab, Logical, If. Our condition is like this. If the actual sale is greater than or equal to target sale, your actual sale is in D2. So we write D2 greater than or equal to C2. Then we will give them 50% of their basic salary. Their basic salary is in a E2 cell. So E2 multiply with 50%. For those who could not achieve, we will give E2 multiply with 10%. Then we click OK. We copy the formula. Let us see for the first employee. He got 50% of his basic salary as allowance. Reason is his actual sale is greater than his target sale. For the second employee, he got only 10%. Reason is his actual sale is less than his target sale. So here we have seen how we can write a formula inside if logical function. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more notification.